Hello there. This is Two Strings Baba. I'm here to do a quick breakdown on Jesus Reigns by Pastor Lawrence and Covenant, requested by one of my students. Fantastic bass player, capable bass, and I believe after the whole video you get to learn few things, to upgrade your play. First of all, the song is on key F sharp, and he requested me to do a quick rundown on the intro. So the intro starts from your sixth, your third, your fourth. So, okay, let me just do a quick run, then we pick them note keys by keys. Okay. For the sake of the young bass players that are more familiar with notations, I'll take the permission to use notation. La mi so mi fa re mi re do ti la so fa la so ti re do so la do re mi fa mi re so mi fa mi re do ti la so fa mi re do ti do si so do da da da. They now enter the solo. Let me take it note by note. Roots. Let me play it again. You notice at this point the original bass player played something more like a F sharp major scale after this other part. Minor seventh, your to, Z, so your 5. Let me take that again. From here, it's major scale. Flat 7, Z, so, do. Last time. I hope I've been able to do justice to that. And please, if you like video, or you have any, point of view or difficulties, please make use of the comment section. Just leave everything there, and hopefully I will try my best to attend to it, possibly get to give you an answer to your question. Thank you to Capable Base for, taking me back to this as well. Please do well to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.